Oh, hello. Good morning. Welcome to another episode of SmartFox News. I hope you enjoyed today's episode.
Good morning, Kim here with the current news. Apple introduces the new iPhone 12, 12 Pro Max, 12 Pro, and 12 Mini. Other than the fact that these cell phones are running with the super fast network of 5G, there are other specs to highlight here. So the mini model is around the size of the iPhone 6, and it's kind of made for users who just aren't ready to have a laptop in their hand. Better cameras, a faster chip, and built-in magnets to assist with wireless charging. Of course, the Pro and Pro Max have even better cameras than the 11 and 11 Pro. Faster processor, and then when we think about prices, they're starting at $699 and can run up to $1,099. And just hearing about those prices, I'll stick with my iPhone for now. Well, thanks for joining me for the current news.
Good morning, everyone. It's time for some more random trivia. Since we're in October, it's Halloween time. Let's talk candy. So in California, 2019, what was the #1 selling brand of candy during this time? Was it Skittles, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, M&M's, or candy corn? The answer's coming up in just a few moments. Hello, everyone. It's time for Today in History, October 14th. We're going to start back in 1644. William Penn is born. He is the founder of Pennsylvania. In 1890, future President Dwight D. Eisenhower is born. In 1892, The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes is published, or was published. In 1926, Winnie the Pooh is published. In 1947, U.S. Air Force Captain Chuck Yeager becomes the first person to break the sound barrier or fly faster than the speed of sound. In 1962, the Cuba Missile Crisis begins. In 1964, the Nobel Peace Prize is awarded to Martin Luther King Jr. In 1968, Jim Hines breaks the 10-second barrier at the 100-meter sprint at the Olympics in Mexico City. In 1994, awesome movie Pulp Fiction premieres. In 2012, Felix Baumgartner breaks the world record for highest manned balloon flight, followed by highest parachute jump, followed by the greatest free fall velocity when he jumps from a balloon 24 miles up in near space. Pretty awesome thing to see. I'm Chris Yates. This has been Today in History, October 14th.
Today we're going to make a tasty dish called Jjajang Myun. It was first introduced in 1905 in a northern Chinese restaurant in Incheon, and it quickly gained popularity following the Korean War because it was low cost and tasty. Merchants along the Incheon port loved it, and it quickly spread in popularity across Korea, becoming one of its popular Chinese-Korean comfort dishes. So, what do you need to make it?
random trivia. Now time for an answer. If you chose Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, you're close. That was actually the second highest one. If you chose M&M's, that was number 3. If you chose Skittles, that was absolutely correct. Skittles is number 1 in California. I don't know why though. I would have chosen Peanut Butter Cups. If you chose candy corn, I don't know what to say. Candy corn is terrible. I'm Chris Yates. This has been Random Trivia. Thanks for watching SmartFox TV. I'm Chris Yates.
I'm Kim.
I'm Sally.
I'm Tracy.
Until next time, stay foxy.
Stay foxy.